Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're doing quite well, and here is different type of dresses mock-up like t-shirt or sport t-shirt etc or cotton long dress. These files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime in $4.99. And here is my Facebook page Sheri SK. I will provide every video like YouTube channel, and here is my Telegram channel, right? Sheri SK official. I will provide every link of video first here. Now I know you can edit in Photoshop very easy, and here is clothing label mockup on jean. You write anything here, like for example I write my channel name Sheri SK, Control S, and you see my name is here. Control S. Okay, depend your own choice, you can write your own brand name. Next is cotton long dress mockup. Simply put any design here. For example, I apply a gradients overlay like this one. Control S. You see here our design on this. Here is a background. Okay, next is dress, and here is short sleeve zipper t-shirt, shirt, and here is side view and back front sportman hockey. You can change color. Here is cuff, neck, back and front. Depend your own choice, you can make more better. And last is a background. Password is here on this application. Follow me on Facebook page, and here is my Telegram channel. I hope these PSDs are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.